Good morning, dear students. Today I shall take up the Master Artist Unit 2, para number 12. Sighing deeply, the patron withdrew again. Sighing deeply, the patron withdrew again. After hearing the words spoken by the painter, the patron went back again. He took a long breath. He was not happy with the answer of the painter. That's why he asked a question. Just how long would this take? He wanted to know the time when the painting, when the portrait will be over. Sighing deeply, the patron withdrew. Just how long would this take? Another 3-4 months passed, and finally half a year went by. Another 3-4 months passed, and finally half a year went by. One day, Signor Bartoli marched in, demanding to see his portrait. "You must be finished by now, and today I will see it," he exclaimed, shaking with frustration. Another 3-4 months passed, and finally half a year went by. In this way, every time the patron, Mr. Bartoli, reached there in the hope that he will get his portrait ready, but every time he went back from there, he was disappointed because he got the same answer from Messer Signy Lebe that the portrait is not ready. In this way, 3 months passed, 4 months passed, and finally half a year went by. One day, Signor Bartoli marched in, demanding to see his portrait. After 6 months, he reached there, and he demanded that today I did not go back from here without seeing my portrait. "You must be finished by now. Today I will see it." And he ordered the painter that today you must be finished by now. Today you must be finished by now. I will see it. He exclaimed, shaking with frustration. He was completely frustrated. He was completely disappointed that after 6 months, the portrait is not ready. Stepping out from behind the cloth as though surprised by such anger, Monsieur Signy Lebe said calmly. Messer Signy Lebe, when found his patron very angry, stepping out from behind the cloth, he came back. He came near the patron from behind the cloth as though surprised by such anger. He was behaving in such a way that he was not happy with the behavior of the patron. He said very calmly, "That is fine. You needed only to request it." And he pulled aside the 20-foot tall curtain. "That is fine." He said that you wanted to see your portrait. Today I will show you. You needed only to request it. You needed only to request it, and he pulled aside the 20-foot tall curtain. And the curtain which covered the wall where he was making the painting of the patron, he pulled aside the curtain. Giuliano Bartoli stood for a minute. Giuliano Bartoli, the patron, stood there for a minute. He was lost in thought. Then his mouth fell open. His mouth fell open. His mouth fell open with surprise. He was surprised to see the painting which was made by Messer Signy Levay on the 20-foot tall wall. His mouth fell open, his eyes turned red, and his eyes turned red. He became mad with anger, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head, and he started grabbing. He started snatching few hairs which he had on his head. He did a little hope. He was jumping here and there, and then twitch. Okay, then twitch, a brief sudden movement that showed his anger. He was making a brief sudden movement there that he was not happy, he was angry. In anger, he was making a brief sudden movement which showed his anger. His eyebrows twisted as though he was under a spell. His eyebrows were twisting as though he was under the effect of some supernatural power. Giuliano Bartoli obviously did not like his portrait. Whatever the painting which was made by Messer Signy Levay, he was not happy. Giuliano Bartoli was not happy with his portrait. Not a bit. Giuliano Bartoli was enraged. Enraged means furious. He became very angry. He was not happy with the painting which was made by Mr. Signy Levay. How absurd, how disgusting. How absurd, how disgusting. He was surprised. He was amazed, and that's why such words came out of his mouth. How absurd, how ridiculous, how disgusting, how hateful. What does this mean? What is the meaning of this painting? You will not receive any money. I will not give you a single penny for this painting. Do you hear? Do you hear that you are not going to get even a single penny for the painting which you made? Giuliano Bartoli was surprised. He was not happy with the painting. And he said, none means you are not going to get even a single penny, even a single rupee. You are not an artist, maybe a thief or a madman. In my opinion, Mr. Bartoli said, okay, Signor Bartoli said, in my opinion, you are not an artist, you are not a painter. You may be a thief, you may be a madman. Get out of my sight. You will leave my house tonight, or I will have you thrown out. You will leave my house today. You will leave my house tonight. Otherwise, I will have thrown you out of my house. So what had Messer Levay done that was so wrong? A question arises. What had Messer Levay drawn that was so wrong? Whatever he made, on the wall. That was so wrong that seeing that painting, Mr. Bartoli, Mr. Giuliano Bartoli was not happy. He started grabbing few hairs which he had on his head. He could not see it. He had fused and fixed for so long. He could not see it. He had fused. He had thought and worked on it before finalizing. Before finalizing, he thought and worked on it before. He had fused and fixed for so long, means he had thought and worked on it before finalizing. It was his 20-foot tall masterpiece. It was his 20-foot tall masterpiece. He was not sorry. Messer Signy Lebe was not sorry. Messer Signy Lebe was not sorry for the painting which he made on the 20-foot tall wall in the house of Mr. Giuliano Bartoli. He was not sorry that he had drawn to his heart's content. He was happy that whatever he wanted to express, he expressed there on that 20-foot tall wall. He was not sorry that he had drawn to his heart's content, and he was satisfied. He was satisfied that he made a very beautiful painting. His way, no matter what anybody could say. He was not thinking about the words spoken by Mr. Giuliano Bartoli. He said, no matter what anybody could say. Perhaps his patron could not tolerate his cubist expression. Perhaps his patron, Messer Signy Lebe said, his patron could not tolerate his cubist expression. Cubist expression belonging to a style called Cubism, a form of modern art. Cubism is a form of modern art which uses geometric shape and was developed and made famous by Pablo Picasso in the early 20th century. This story tells us that an artist who lived 5 centuries earlier had discovered the same style and received no recognition for doing so. But Pablo Picasso would have been proud of him. He said, if today Pablo Picasso was alive and he saw his painting, then he would have been proud of Mr. Signy Lebe. If truth be told, Monsieur Signy Lebe was not crazy. Not at all. He had simply been born 500 years too early. That was the problem. Okay, thank you.